Hey there, have you ever been terrified to start a painting? Are you worried about the marks you make? Are you worried that it's just not going to work out? Or what are people going to think once they learn that you're having a go at painting? What will they say about it? If you've ever been terrified and stuck, then you're probably going to love the idea that in just one day you can actually work with me online and paint a whole beautiful painting like the beautiful Blooms Magenta Rose. I've got a fantastic one-day event coming up, and I'm doing it to three different time zones. I'm doing it to the USA and Canada, UK and Europe, and also to Australia and New Zealand. So no matter where you live, you can do this from the comfort of home. And it's a full one-day workshop, but we just do it online. It's interactive. I demo for you. I answer your questions that you have. I wait while you do your bit. I check how you're going. I check your progress. And it's absolutely awesome. I did this last year with the Paris Rose project, and I launched a painting careers for literally hundreds of women. They just absolutely loved it, and they were ecstatic with the results, thrilled with the quality of the teaching and how it got them great results learning my no-fail Blooms painting method. So I'm off and running again, and this time we're doing the Blooms Magenta Rose. And what are you going to learn when you come and work online with me? Well, the first thing you do is when you book in, there's bonus training material you can start straight away. I'm going to teach you all about paint handling, because if you can't control your paint and you don't know what to do with it, then it's very hard to get the results. So that's waiting for you to start as soon as you want. And then on our appointed day, you've got all your gear ready to go. We're going to learn about how to build a painting from scratch. So we go from a blank canvas to this in one day, a pro finish painting in stages. I've got my no-fail Blooms painting method, which sets you up for success. So by the end of the process, you're going to have a painting that looks like it's got the professional finish. You're going to learn blending, how to get that paint on, how to get the lusciousness in the color. Reds and pinks can be tricky if you don't know what you're doing. And I'm going to tell you all about that and how to make them really glow in this gorgeous spring magenta rose bloom. You're also going to learn something about the backgrounds and the importance of your background in making your painting look luscious. So the only thing is, places are limited. I'm only doing this for a short time because I'm also servicing my students in the programs online that I have, and they're going really well. Some of the students who did this exercise with me with the Paris Rose last year are now selling artists, and they started from scratch. You don't have to have any previous experience to do this. So if you like the idea of it, you may want to go and check out my link below and book yourself in. Class sizes are limited. I'm only doing it for a short time only. So if you want to get your painting bugbears sorted out, you want to get past that feeling that you can't and turn it into a I definitely can. If you want to get your painting confidence and mojo up, then join me and I'll see you very soon. I'll see you in class.